Welcome to Diecast Mecca. Well, right now I'm all alone right now. Everyone's out, as you can see. Everyone's in here. Want to see what Niagara Falls looks like at night?
Look at this place, huh? It's spectacular.
This is the Canadian Las Vegas. Literally. Planet Hollywood. Right over there. So there you go. Here's the Roadrunner. Again. We'll be fake drag racing it tomorrow as well. Here's all the tools. And here's the dog. These are Hoosier drag radials with steel wheels. Obviously, we're not going to use this. We'll see you later for Diecast Mecca. See you later.